Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about how animals are different from plants, even though both are living things. Plants are generally rooted in one place and do not move on their own. But most animals have the ability to move freely. Plants have something special in them which gives them the color green. Animals are not green. Plants make their own food to become strong and healthy. They get lots and lots of energy from the sunlight and vitamins from the soil. But animals cannot make their own food. Rather, they have to hunt for their food. And maybe we can also feed them sometimes. Plants breathe in and breathe out through tiny holes in their leaves. Animals breathe in and breathe out through their nose. Plants can sense warmth and cold winds, but they cannot sense danger. On the other hand, animals can sense danger very well and are very clever to keep themselves safe. So that's all for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.